Good evening, everyone. My name is Vinita D'Souza. I am an East Indian and I am from the East Indian Culinary Group. I am from the Ville Parle team. Today I am going to show you how to make atola. It is our traditional East Indian sweet. But before that, I would like to thank Amul for introducing us on this show so that we can show our talent and the different food and sweets we prepare. So let's get ready to make atola. This is rice, 150 gram, which I have already boiled in Amul milk. I have boiled and kept it. Then this is chavli. This is also boiled in Amul milk. This is milk. This is 150 gram jaggery, and this is nutmeg powder and elchi. So let's start. I'm putting this rice in the vessel. Burn the gas. Pour the coconut milk. Actually, it is done traditionally with coconut milk, but I am using Amul milk. Put the jaggery in. 150 gram jaggery. And we keep stirring it till the jaggery melts. It takes a little time to melt. Jaggery takes time. If you want more sweeter, you can add more jaggery or reduce the quantity of jaggery. It's up to your taste. This is made in two ways. You can make it as porridge or make it dry and cut it in cubes. This is made actually on 2nd November, on All Souls Day. It is traditionally we make it like from many years. Our ancestors used to say, and we still believe, that our near and dear ones who have passed away, they come on that day. So just to, as what you say, as a memory to remember them, we make the dishes what they like, and this sweet dish atola is made on that day. I am adding the chavlis, 50 grams chavlis, which is also known as black eye bean. Jaggery takes time. As this is becoming, I'll just show you the other products. This is fry fish, which we East Indians cannot do without fish. This is Bombay ducks in Vindhyal Watan. This is pomfret in green chutney. It is stuffed. Both are stuffed. These are our famous hand breads, which every house needs it only. Then this is kolim. This is green Bombay duck chutney. This is red Bombay duck chutney. These are our puffs, which is made in chicken. During Christmas we make with sweet mawa, then with rava. I use Amul ghee to make these naveries. In this also we put little ghee instead of oil. It gives you better taste. So I use Amul ghee for that. We have many food items, one better than the other. And not forgetting our traditional ghumat. For every parties, function, small get-togethers, this is a must, ghumat of ours. And this is, olden days people used to use this instead of spoons. They call it ulki. We used to use this. First our grandparents used to use. Now nobody wants to use these spoons. All like those fashionable spoons. So now this is getting dried. There is still time. People eat it like this also. 1 minute, I'll get my spoon. Yeah, now I'll add little cardamom powder and nutmeg. Nutmeg is good for the stomach. Don't get stomach pain. Mix it well. Some like to eat it like this, like porridge. Sorry. Some like to eat it like this, like porridge. And some like it as pudding. Rice pudding, it's also called as rice pudding. If you want it more watery, you can add more Amul milk to make it more like porridge types. You have to keep stirring this till it gets dried. I'll put a little Amul butter in this. Amul butter gives little shine. You can even add Amul ghee into it. It's up to you, butter, ghee, whatever you prefer. But be careful while stirring because it flies. So you can get burnt on your hand. And I cooked the rice in the cooker so that it gets very soft. For 15 minutes you cook the rice in the cooker with Amul milk, and the chablis also you cook for 5 minutes with Amul milk. So it is easier and faster to be made. Otherwise in the vessel it takes very long time because the rice has to get paste. We use this with, actually we do this with new rice. But now there's no new rice, so I made it with the rice what we eat daily. With that, first we had fields. Everybody, all of us had fields and lot of property. But it all went in building roads and in houses and buildings and everything. We lost all our property like this. So now we are just with our house. Houses also are gone for buildings. So now we have to buy everything. Otherwise first it was just give and take, barter system. We even make fish pickle out of that tuna fish, kupa. Of that also we can make fish pickle. Of prawns. And many other things, even of shark fish. Of that also we make. And we are proud that Amul has helped us come here so we can show our food to so many people, and they can learn by seeing this video. As I said, hand breads are very important in every East Indian's house. It tastes very nice with these dry fish. Roti आणि कोलबी मावळीचे बरोबर खूप चांगलं आहे. This is almost done. See, you can see it's leaving the dish. So it's almost done. Now I'll apply Amul ghee to this so that it doesn't stick. I offed it now. Apply some nice ghee so that when it cools, the pieces come out nicely. So now I pour it in the plate. And let it cool till it gets cold. About, say, it takes 20 minutes to get cold. Let it get cold. And we have many other items also what we sell as in our East Indian culinary. We sell bottled masalas, then tamarind, and variety of things. You ask and our culinary group will give it to you. Any type of food you want, you just call us and we will give you the food. We make boxes also every Sundays. We take bulk orders. And these are those puffs, which are pleated puffs. I'll just break one and show you. See, it has chicken filling inside. We even make it of mawa, then rava during Christmas, or coconut and jaggery. Anything you ask and we will do it for you. Then Amul milk is used in variety of things. You can put it in tea also, Amul milk. The tea becomes very nice with Amul milk. Even Amul milk powder we use in many sweets, in our sweet dishes. Then we use cheese. We make cheese also, things, food items where we use Amul cheese. This has got a little thick, but if you add more milk to it, it will become like porridge. And children love eating like this porridge. Some like pieces also, of course. I'll show you the pieces. I've already cut and kept it. Yeah. These are the pieces. After you cut, they become like this. You can just cut. can cut them, and they are very easy to, soft and nice to eat, very tasty, juicy. I thank Amol once more for allowing us to come and show our products. I hope you all like it, and always call us anytime when you all need foodstuffs. Thank you.